Unlock exclusive savings and rewards with current credit card promo codes. Let's dive right in. First, fire up your favorite web browser and head to Google. Type current credit card promo codes in the search bar and hit enter. Now, carefully scroll through the search results. Look for official credit card company websites or reputable coupon sites known for valid and up-to-date promo codes. Once you've landed on a promising website, pay close attention to the details. Check the terms and conditions, things like expiration dates, eligibility requirements, and any specific cards the promo code applies to. When you've found a code that works for you, highlight and copy it to your clipboard. Then, when you are checking out online, paste it into the promo code or discount code field. Double-check that the discount has been successfully applied before completing your purchase. This confirms the promo code is valid and active. That's it. Remember to check for new promo codes regularly to maximize your savings and rewards. Happy shopping!